How much time does it take to learn speaking English? It's a big question which is being asked by students so many times. Does it take 45 days, 45 hours, or 90 days or 90 hours, 6 months or 1 year? See, it depends on your learning attitude, that how much time do you take. Neither it takes 45 days or 90 days or 6 months, but yes, for a common person it takes 6 to 7 months generally. So please do not ask this stupid question to anybody, that how much time does it take to learn English. Because very important thing that you must understand, that learning English is not a kind of course, it's an activity. And activity says itself that the more you do to me, the more you practice to me, better you learn. What happens is that students do not focus to practice genuinely. They do not have a learning kind of attitude. They focus to the timeline and the time boundation and all. This is why it becomes really very difficult for us to learn English in 6 to 7 months. We normally focus to the cramming of grammar, translations and all, and think that we would be able to speak in English. But my dear friends, believe me, it's not like that. If you really want to learn to speak in English, then please forget about 45 days, 90 days, 6 months or a year. But like I have said you, for a common person, it takes 6 to 7 months. See, if you are absolute beginner, it means you do not have idea about the letters of English even, it can take more than a year to learn, because you first have to learn the letters, words, sentences, you know how to read from the beginner, beginner level and all. So it takes 1 year to 1.5 years. But if you are a person who is having at least an idea about English, you know how to read a book, you know how to translate a little bit, you have the concept of grammar. The thing that you have is that you don't have the knowledge of complete, the basic, at least the foundation of grammar, and you don't have guts to speak, you have fear a lot. Then there is a standard, and that takes you 6 to 7 months. It means for a common person, please write it down, for a common person it takes 6 to 7 months to learn English. What about 3 months or like 45 days or 45 hours? See, these are the things which are customized or make for a commercial purpose. I can tell you that, hey, learn English here at My Career Doctor in 45 days or 90 days. See, 90 days, a person can learn English in 90 days, but for that you must have the complete knowledge of grammar. As much it is required, you must have that. Plus, you must have the stock of words, and the only thing that you have is little hesitation to speak in English. In that case, by joining any coaching, you would be able to speak in English. You would be able to speak in English. It doesn't mean you would be an expert of English. If I talk about myself, still I am learning to speak in English. I'm not an expert of speaking English or English language or grammar and all. So what about you? It takes 90 days for those who are having absolutely idea about English. They have little hesitation. Yeah, that's cool. They can improve themselves in 90 days. But if you are a beginner, having little knowledge of grammar, you can read and all, it takes normally 6 to 7 months. So in short, I want to tell you that if you want to learn English, it takes 6 to 7 months to improve a person. But there must be a physical mode of class. Of course, you can improve in online as well, but online is speaking English is good for those who are good at reading, little idea they have. But if you have a lot of problems and all in reading even, then please do not join any online classes. Join the physical mode of classes, and they're focused to learning. That yes, you take 6 to 7 months, but honestly you must focus to LSRW. I'm damn sure you must speak in English and you would be a comfortable and good speaker. I hope you get the answer of your question. Thank you very much for watching. Stay happy and be the best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.